Republicans, hello. I'm real glad to be able to talk to you folks today about the coming election. I'm sure we all agree on our candidate. Couldn't have a better one. But now we've got to make sure that he gets elected. Now, you know, elections are funny things. You look at the total vote, it doesn't mean much. But when you take all of the individual people that it takes to make up that vote, it comes home to you. It's like that bay out there. It's a pretty big body of water, but it's just a lot of drops put together. And that's what an election is. So besides voting ourselves, if each one of us will see to it that the whole Republican vote gets to the polls, we can win. On the last several elections, we Republicans have made a pretty good showing by doing just that. Now, 2 years ago, we made a successful film explaining our time-proven method for getting out the vote. And the man who was one of our hardest precinct workers will show you how the Republican Victory Squad, as we call it, works. He graduated from precinct work. He is now our candidate for governor, my good friend, Ronald Reagan.
Now, this is a Victory Squad headquarters, one of many that are in operation throughout the county. It doesn't look like much at the moment. What it needs is people, you and me. The people who volunteer for the Victory Squad go out on election day and ask each and every registered Republican to go to the polls and vote. Months before the election, other volunteers prepare special lists of every single registered Republican in the county.